Story time! When I was growing up, I've always wanted my own thing. The thing that I'm known for. Instead of just being the guy that says, it's like, hey, I'm the guy that took over my parents' restaurant. I don't want to be that guy. My dreams were never the store. It was always an astronaut. It always was rock climbing, adventure time, just crazy. Being a photographer, a world-class photographer. Those kinds of dreams, not staying in one place in a restaurant. Started many different businesses over the years to try and just find my place and my thing, and I think I found it. It's called affiliate marketing, and I absolutely love it because it gives me the creativity to make these types of videos, make crazy videos, and just teach about some cool stuff. And I can do this anywhere in the world, and that's why I like it. It's so much fun, and to come up with this content and just creation, it's wonderful. If anything that I've said has inspired you, comment it below. I would love to know. And have a wonderful day.